Your Wi-Fi speed isn't just about your internet plan, it's about choosing the right band. 2.4 GHz versus 5 GHz could be the game changer. Today I'll show you how to speed up your Wi-Fi by understanding the difference between the two and when to use each. Wi-Fi runs on two main frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 2.4 GHz offers longer range but slower speeds, while 5 GHz delivers faster speeds but at a shorter range. You want to use 5 GHz for streaming, gaming, video calls, or large downloads when speed matters. And for 2.4 GHz, it makes more sense to use them for smart home devices, browsing, or when you're far away from the router. Most modern routers let you choose or automatically switch between the bands, but today I'm going to show you how to forcefully select the band that you want on a Windows machine. To do this, you're going to go down to the search menu and look for Device Manager. Now, once you open this up, you'll see a list of the devices, and what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the network adapters. So if you expand this, you will see a list of devices, and in this case, you're going to want to look for something with Wi-Fi. So if you go ahead and double click that, it will open up the properties, and you want to go to the Advanced tab up here. Now under the properties list, if you scroll down, you will see the option of preferred band, and this is what you want to select. Now for the value, if you open the drop down, you will see that there are three options. No preference is usually the default, which is what you might see in your screen. Now what this means is that you leave it up to the router or your device to select which band is most appropriate. And then the other two options is where you can forcefully select one of the two bands. So again, for 2.4 GHz, you want to use this if you're far away from the router. And for 5 GHz, you want to use this if speed is important and you are within close distance of the router. So once you select the value that you'd like, say 5 GHz, and you click on OK, what would happen is that you will notice that your Wi-Fi might start to reconnect, to refresh the connection and follow that band that you've just selected. Now it's important to note that for 2.4 GHz, you want to maintain an indoor range of about 30 to 45 meters or 100 to 150 feet. Whereas for 5 GHz, the indoor range is ideally between 10 to 15 meters or 30 to 50 feet. This is because 2.4 GHz travels further and penetrates walls better, while 5 GHz is faster but works best closer to the router. And that's it. Your Windows machine now prefers the Wi-Fi band you set. Remember, 5 GHz for speed, 2.4 GHz for reach. Adjust these based on your needs and enjoy smoother browsing, streaming, and gaming. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comments if there's any other topic you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.